see him. Dr. Wu, the feet of our very traditional area, a delegation from SEPS.
Dr. Wu,
the whole sector commander and former commandant of SEPS Academy. Kafui is also in the lead.
Mr. Ayabe Kafui,
I can see Honorable Dr. Alex Adumba Comensa.
Exchange of greetings. Ali delegation.
The delegation pay homage to our chief. We have in the lead Honorable Alfred Ekuri. The host DCE. Also, I got to miss your friend. Right behind him. Charles Abebe. I see our host commandant in our academy, Eric Kwachi. Honorable Dr. Samuel, former MC, is in our list. I see Mrs. Florence Santi, Deputy Commissioner, GRA, also in the line.
Mrs. Florence Santi, GRA,
Honorable Jerry Ameko, DC, Adaptability of Florida, also in the line.
Honorable Wanyimi Ameko,
I see the board member for BBC Shares Limited, Abusi Kakene. Chief Superintendent Obin Yokwa, Mr. Commander Ghana, the line.
Chief Superintendent Commander Nahu Enyelaketi.
I see retired Commissioner of GRA, our pensioner, DK Kosamani, line. The delegation from GRA. I see Honorable Jeff Kabiani, the former MC of see him. Dr. Wu, the feet of our very traditional area, a delegation from SEPS.
Dr. Wu,
the whole sector commander and former commandant of SEPS Academy. Kafui is also in the lead.
Mr. Ayabe Kafui,
I can see Honorable Dr. Alex Adumba Comensa. Chief Superintendent Open Yokwa is the commander the line.
Chief Superintendent Commander Lahu Enyewapeti.
I see retired Commissioner of GRA. Our engineer, DK Kasamani, line.
GRA Engineer Mr. Kasamani Lahu Engase.
I see the Vice Chair of Constitutional and Legal Committee of
Leading
our guests to greet and pay homage to our chief of the palace, as the Honorable Alfred Igbo. I see our MPs first leading the current one. Is in line right
kaya beneke wa kuange bangolibiye no.
Leading our guests to greet and pay homage to our chief of the palace as the honorable of our people.
Wakifone nebange Mehide akotime Zuabe Distrito DCE.
I see our MPs first leading the current one.
Wana MPO ke wa first radio
Is in line right outside.
Wàdìmí Mọ́tò Àtàfíjọ NDC chairman ọ̀lẹ́gùn ẹ̀nẹ̀rà pẹ̀tì.
Honorable Abibu, presidential staff at the of Monta region, is also in line.
Honorable Mẹ́ìwé Fọ́ńtà Yan Hulamana Kutena lẹ́gùn ẹ̀nẹ̀rà pẹ̀tì.
Former GRA Commissioner.
Wana GRA Commissioner Nene Hinobabe.
Mr. Jinde Katamani. His club has an interesting name. I'll let him pronounce it. Next time you remember? You heard that?
Buwapieji Nongayo Eboti Papa Matiko.
I again acknowledge Kobe Hotel, Yasuk Mineral Water, Levan Drinks Hotel, Movie Hotel, Digitals Pharmacy, Enoch Drugstore, Digitals Mineral Water, Ultimate Cooperative, Credit Union, City Phone, Amen Electronics, Ishirama Computer Enterprise, and the Nouvelle Depot, Madame Akusita, Bene.
Fífi àmì kọ́ ní ọmọ mi pépé ọ, àkọ́tí mi fi ó pété, kéje túpè, kéje reka, kélada ònfọ́mẹ̀, wàdò, ànọ̀fì reka mẹ̀, àtọwọ́ ìzọ̀nà mi pépé ọ pété àbálẹ́kẹ̀ mi wọ̀ nẹ̀dá, náà kóònù gbogbo yẹn pọ́n náà nà ló fi àmẹ̀, nà wúwọ́ àti. Na miama me pepe o miomiato acho vide ano cha 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 ta elikem agbo nenongona dumevio pete nemida pe nebigona ame obebe wawezo waweza miade onyo ta miano flire kame ado wezona Chairman the Central Planning Committee, Medekuku Miao Bomi Dongo, Nedumevi Susio Peteno Kolomida, Nemia Dogbena, Amepete Opete, Miame Chairman, Nature Cha Planning Committee Chairman. Mr. Presbyter Theodore Yanyo Malengo, Dumevi Jajel, Dumevi Nyapo, Dumevi Kopete Nyale Miama Tamevo Ada Unto Aume, Usama no Fliamo.